I got some job offers now. Na? People are asking me, okay, you can join us. I go, okay, what is your package? Okay, we are offering only 15K. We don't have budget. I go, sorry, I'm already earning more. Why should I come in the down path? So, okay, how you are getting that? The people are asking me those questions. And then I told them about that. Okay, no, I did a course from the Craftshala. Even I've worked for the 6 months and still I'm in the market. I'm getting the same job. Why? But yes, now I'm having a Craftshala certificate with in my CV. I get more. I'm Varsha Gupta. I'm from MLP 19 Craftshala students, and currently I'm working with AlphaCode Lab. Completed my MBA in International Business in 2007 to 9. Then I started working somewhere else, and then you can say I got married and left the job, and everything has happened. Earlier I was working in traditional marketing, and now trend is changed everywhere. It is digital marketing. So I always wonder how those things are working. One of Craftshala alumni told me about this key. Okay, you can join there. It was a really good experience. I also joined the Craftshala. The experience was really good. After completing the Craftshala course, I like the process of how they are taking. Like, they are not simply enroll me or just sending me a message as okay, join this. No, they took a test also. So it feels me a genuinely okay, there is something like if I'm not passing in this criteria, they will not let me in. So that is the one reason. Second, the past student of a Craftshala, they told me about the Craftshala. Yes, it was a good experience of them. So those two things are like helpful to take my decisions to choose the Craftshala. On the morning 10 o'clock we have a session, 10 to 12, then break of sometimes, and then 12 to 2 or like this. In that, what happened, we made some WhatsApp group of few friends, like whatever we are in that page. So those people are really very helpful, like throughout the journey. Like while doing the assignments, if I'm stuck somewhere, I just made a call to anybody in the group, and they will help me. Okay, do like this, do like this. Or like after submissions also, if I wanted to do again those things, yes, I can ask questions. Doubt resolutions is there. The assignments, and after assignment there is a discussion session. So that helped me a lot. Why? Because I took a different approach, whether my friends are taking a different approach and my mentors are telling me a different approach. So it was like, okay, it's a broad way to think about the things, like about the thoughts, about the choosing the keywords, or sometimes about the audiences, how we should choose in this situation, what should we do. Mock interviews are really very helpful for getting the job and placement. About the mock interviews, what we have. So, on that, we always in the fear. Oh, maybe I'm getting less number. I will not get cleared in that interview. And those anxieties are really very like close to a real world, because whenever we are facing the interview, the same things happen with us, all the butterflies in our stomachs, anxiety and everything. So those things are also helpful us to tackle all the questions in a right way, how to answer them, phrase each and every questions. The best part, like, yeah, they help me a lot in the mock interviews. Like the same thing happens, like we got the link, we sometimes we don't know who is like going to take my interview, so we are always in confusion. The same anxiety I'm told you, and we made some notes also for that. So yes, we can get prepared for that. Then we don't know about the how the questions are coming, how we need to represent and everything. So we gave the interviews, the questions they ask, some behavioral, some practical and subjective questions are there. And after that, completing the interview, even the same time the mentor is also guide us ki okay, you made this mistake. If we ask them ki okay, correct me or something, they helped us in that ki okay, you made this mistake, okay, you can rectify here, you can do this, you can do better in this way, or something. If we are lacking, they guide us on the same time. So yes, we know ki okay, next time I need to improve this. The most challenge is what we never exposed to anything live. So this is the like It's a black hole for us. We don't know anything about that, and now we need to do. How? It is a teamwork. And sometimes, in the major challenge in my Facebook Meta Ads Live project, during times I was not well, and one of my friend, they don't have a proper Wi-Fi because some constructions are going on in her house, and two people are working hard, and I'm also try to contribute, but still not fully as they want me. Still somehow we completed that project live, and it was a second best project. Then the Google Ads, I got a wonderful team. Even on that time I was also doing my 100%, my other team members are also doing, and we completely do. And after submitting that live project and having all the reports and everything, we have a one presentation also. So in that, what happened, like I have to present something in the group of few peoples. It was like always we always feel fear of facing people or in the stage. So in that way, like when we come to a presentation part, it was give us like confidence. Yes, I can speak in front of other peoples, I can talk about what I have done in this project, how we do the segregations of keywords, seed keywords, primary keywords, selection of keywords, primary, secondary keywords, and then giving them a theme basis and everything, and then select some keywords from the Google Keyword Planner, from the SEMrush. We got to expose from new projects also, like some courses, like SEMrush courses we can do, Google courses we can do, and we can post it on our LinkedIn post and everything, so that we can visible, we have a presence on the social media and other platforms also. So it is, everything started from that. Like earlier I was not too much active in social media and everything, but now I used to post sometimes ki okay, let me post something, people might be know me. Every single query we went to the K and write down our queries, or sometimes we talk to them or everything. Even sometimes I used to call them now also, like I have a number, if I need some help I just simply call him, okay yaar, help me here, and they will happily do that. So I feel like still I'm a part of Craftshala, and the regular mails I'm getting from the Craftshala, I still feel okay, I'm also right now also I'm a student and I'm getting those mails, those are giving, yes, I'm important to them. I feel like that. We got a maximum opportunities, like we can say companies are coming to us and we have to apply on them according to our criteria, like our likes and where we wanted to go. According to city also we can choose, according to company also we can choose. There are 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, and still we are not getting result. So those waiting give us like, no, I'm not getting selected. Sometimes I feel like this, and might be every students are going with the same phase and they are also feeling the same. I'm too much ahead of the other students, other people who are in the market. Why? Because Craftshala gave us a live examples, live projects, and the way they are teaching, the assignments, the discussions, and the doubt resolutions, everything was really wonderful. And placement support is like top of the cherry. It is not a bad idea to do a course from free also, or in a less amount also. Yes, you can go and do, it was your choice. But what about the placements? What about your career growth? What about the good companies you are there? Is there anything like corporate cultures you are getting? No, those exposure is not for them. They don't have a practical experience, they don't have a people surround them to discuss things, the new perspective of discussion, like as I told you, the assignment after assignment we have a discussion. So they don't have. What happened, they don't know, they know only their own perspectives after watching those videos, and how they are doing, it was totally different. Nobody is there to correct them where they are lacking, what they are making mistakes, and nothing. But yes, we have an opportunity, somebody can correct us, somebody can guide us, okay, you can go with this, you can go with that, apply these things or don't apply like this, you can choose those things, you should not choose them. So this is the biggest advantage we have. And the placement support, like we are getting a job which is 4.5 LPA, but in the market if you are going only 15,000, 20,000, 10,000, yeah, people are ready to do, and they are doing. Why? Because they don't have a exposure of learning from a good education institute.